Hi everyone, welcome to the very first episode of 3D5's podcast. I'm Shikha Gupta, CEO and founder of 3D5, and which is India's first and only no code, no app 3D and augmented reality configurator for education and brands. At 3D5, we create memorable 3D and augmented reality experiences without any app, without any special devices, just from the smartphones for e-commerce brands, for retail, and now we are starting with augmented reality content using AR-enabled books. Today's episode is extra special because I'm joined with Ms. Pavan and Mansi, who are very dear friends and also the pioneering customer for augmented reality enabled books, making Asma Play School the first and only AR enabled play school in Delhi NCR.
Thank you so much.
Welcome Mansi, welcome Pavan.
Thank you so much. We are blessed to have the first position in the augmented reality. Thank you so much, Shikha.
So, Pavan, hi. Thank you for coming to the podcast. And
Thanks to you to coming to our school and taking our interview.
Welcome. So, before we dive into augmented reality and tech, I would like to know what was your vision behind starting Asma Play School and how Asma is different from other schools.
First of all, vision behind it, I would be very honest to you. When I was expecting my second bacha, so I was into a mindset up to give him a best of everything. Because in the first one, so you are very young, you do not very much concern about the education and the schooling and everything. You only go for a brands and names. But when the second was there, I always wanted to give best to my bacha. That was the reason I started just in a matter of that कि I should give a best to my bacha, and the Asma was the reason, and behind that name Mansi will tell you the story.
The Asma itself is saying that to fulfill the expectations of mothers in a beautiful manner, we are having this name Asma, जो आप माँ आस लगाती है एक play school से, where all the comforts are being given and the warmth is being given, so we are fulfilling that.
Beautiful vision. And today I got to know about the story behind the name. I always thought that Asma is something related to the sky, but now
we are giving wings to our kids to fly in the sky, and you can relate to that also.
I still remember our first discussion that we had when I introduced you about augmented reality books and how you got so excited and curious about trying it. So, what exactly made you say yes that I want to be that first AR-enabled play school, since you were also a very emerging and new brand at that time?
Right. Shika, being very honest, I'm always very eager to give something different to my kids. Okay. So I got to know that yes, this will really help my bacha to sit with parents and get the fruitful, because I always support both the things. The technology is equally important as important the books are. So AR books are one of the part towards the technology, and I think every school should encourage that.
Absolutely, and education is becoming increasingly interactive.
Right.
Now it is not you cannot just dictate the students
Yes.
and just keep them reading books and all.
Yes.
It becomes monotonous after a point of time, and today's kids are anyways exposed to technology so much
Yes.
that you need to have a guided and controlled way to make them.
I'll add on the
imbibe.
statement in this. अगर आप नहीं बदलेंगे, आप अपग्रेड नहीं होंगे, तो लोग आपको रिप्लेस कर देंगे. So Asma always believe in upgrading themselves.
That's so good. That's an amazing thing coming from you.
Thank you.
So, Mansi, most schools think that adopting augmented reality is going to be very complex and maybe very expensive. I'm sure when Pavan would have communicated our discussion to you, then you might have also thought the same, that this is going to be taking months. So, how was your experience about onboarding 3D5 with Asma? And
Frankly speaking, when she introduced me with this concept of augmented reality, initially I was really dicey whether to introduce it or not. But when you came and we discussed about all the things, and when I saw the process that just a scan away we can just have this amazing thing introduced to our parents and to our kids, it's really good and accessible, because no apps are being used and no extra devices are being installed. So the way we, likewise we are using the Paytm services
Correct,
and the
So-
very
So you have to actually make it accessible that
yeah,
easy.
yeah,
only
that
then it
is
can be adopted.
so
which
thanks
is-
to you that you have done a
Thank
great
you.
job making it accessible, very easily to the parents.
Thank you. And that was the challenge that we were actually also thinking to solve if when we wanted to delve into education.
Yeah,
Because unless and until हम उसको इतना आसान नहीं बनाएंगे,
Nobody
it should
will
be
gonna-
as good as scanning and paying through UPI.
Yeah.
Then only we can ensure adoption.
Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, it will be just another app that is going on in
Yeah,
some schools.
yeah.
Right. So, so tell me about the experience when you actually started telling the parents about 3D and augmented reality books, and when you first introduced them that this is how your kids can learn about objects. through
I
AR.
still remember it was our orientation, and I told a bunch of parents all together in a group of parents that we are going to have a AR books. The parents, out of 30 parents, there were 2 parents, those who were very excited to know, and others started looking into the Google, what is AR? So obviously the parents were excited. You took good 3 months to provide us the details and everything. The parents were after our like, ma'am, when are you going to give us? When the scanners are going to work? So definitely
The
parents
way
were
she was excited knowing about this AR, the
Right.
parents were equally excited.
In fact,
And
more than that.
more than that, that something new is being coming up. And Asma has a strategy that every time like she has a creative mind, she wants to introduce all the good things to new things given
Right.
to
So
our
she's a
kids.
visionary, I
Yeah.
We always, I told you initially only, ki we need to work with the requirements of the society.
Absolutely.
And
And I think that is the win for 3D5 as well,
Right.
that when we are able to create those memories
Yes.
and those emotions using technology.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Definitely.
And प्ले स्कूल में होना तो पेरेंट्स को पता लगता है, बच्चों को पता लगता है that books and technology both are equally important, and AR books are the best example to that.
Absolutely, because हम लोग ने जब when we started this,
हाँ.
तो एक ही विजन था that you cannot take away technology from kids nowadays.
Right.
That is impossible.
Right.
But how can we make that time, that tech time, that screen time more productive?
More productive.
Right.
Is what was the vision that it is
And
education.
your books will definitely help the parents.
Definitely.
Yes.
So tell me, ma'am, how did the teachers and staff find the change and the 3D5's AR-enabled book experience? Easy to use, or how did they communicate with the parents? Was the training process, was it good for them? How was their experience?
Definitely, it was a cherry on the cake.
It is a user-friendly app, obviously.
And it was very easy, and best of this कि you were available on the call. You have come at least 3 to 4 times to guide our teachers, to help our teacher on a small queries. You were available, and moreover your app is actually very easy to use. That is the reason we are able to connect with you, and we are able to give it to the parents so smoothly.
Alright, so that was wonderful to hear that the training process and everything went smoothly, the onboarding process was smooth. Did you also face any questions about data privacy of students? Though we try to make it everything very
Personalized,
authenticated and
yeah.
not anybody can just use the QR
Yes.
codes. They are tied to one phone and one parent who is getting registered on the app. But were there any concerns about data privacy from parents that why are you taking our data or something?
No, it was not there, because every school has a basic details,
Right.
and your app was asking only a basic details which every school admission form already have. So
Right.
there was no kind of a problem we have faced from our parents.
So, now tell me, when you introduced this concept to the parents, you said that they were very excited, but I am sure there would be some concerns about screen time also. People are nowadays very concerned that my kid is becoming addicted to phone, and now you are introducing one more thing, which will be using a phone. So
True,
how did you
Shikha,
address?
I would not disagree with your question, because this concern was there, but we were there to know the reason behind it, and we were able to solve it. If you wanted to know what was our solution, I will definitely share. I speak to the parents, you cannot delete technology from your bacha and the screen time from your bacha. It is equally important the food, reading books, coloring and everything.
Absolutely.
But this screen time would be given to your bacha in the guidance of a parent, because this is something the bacha cannot scan and use. The parent guidance, the guidance has to be there. Then if we are using a screen on an appropriate way in a right technology, it is never a harmful.
Then it becomes a learning experience.
Yeah, definitely. The things the bacha is learning 10 objects in a paper, on a paper, through the book, and that bacha is get to know. I would share one of the experience of a parent. They said कि मैम हमने alligator book में देखा and that was a green beautifully animated you created. But when we have saw on the technology on a AR book wala scanner, it was actually giving a right color, a blackish and a जो चीज़ we were not able to tell them the shape of a alligator is you or crocodile is that. So
That portion we
that was a more visualized to the bacha, and the right information the
and
parent
with-
were able to give to the
And with
bacha.
this, the screen time which was not appropriately used, now we can, you know, channelize the appropriate use of through the AR.
Screen is a friend of your bacha, and you're using nahi, screen is already a friend of your bacha. Now you're basically introducing a books to them in a right manner, so it is going to give a vice versa. Everything has a plus and minuses.
Absolutely. And it's actually about every technology.
Huh.
That if you use it properly, then it
Yeah.
becomes a boon. If
Boon,
you don't,
yeah.
then it becomes a bane.
Exactly.
Instead of the kid actually going through.
In the world of
mindlessly
AI,
Yeah.
you ask me why to give a screen to your kid is no way
No
the
way you
sense.
can take the screen away from
You cannot.
You cannot. That's
So
not.
you yourself is encouraging AI. You are giving a bacha to AI books and everything. So you have to give a screen time to your bacha in a knowledge way, in a books way.
Mentored and a guided way, so that
Right.
actually it becomes a tool for their learning instead of they using it just for playing
Just for
and
playing.
Right.
exploiting.
And AI books are a tool for them.
It's actually a tool, because when the kid is seeing that particular object in 3D and augmented reality, they're actually able to imagine it better. And
Exactly.
we have also seen studies that this is building lasting memory. Have
Right.
you seen
Yeah.
that?
Right. Mansi was discussing before you start कि whatever we see, road learning, we visualize anything, it lasts for long. The same is for the AR books.
And one of the child was also coming to us, ma'am मेरी books बोलती हैं, I can, you know, listen to my books, I can visualize the things from my books.
So cute.
So that was really giving an impactful, you know, for the AR books to us also, that we have given a fruitful thing to our
Done right
parents.
thing.
The phonetics parents are facing lot of problem. What is the right phonic of this and that? But your AR book is already giving a clear phonetics
Yeah.
to the parent, which will help the parents, because the parents, if we are not able to pronounce any word right, we always go for a Google and listen the pronunciation.
Yeah.
But your AR books will help the parent to speak that word accurately.
And during that same experience only.
Immediately,
Which is like-
later on it's better to do it now than the later on.
Absolutely. So it becomes a comprehensive experience. Basically, you
Right.
can say that you can take the classroom to your home.
To your home.
Exactly.
Because you can
Exactly.
listen how your teacher was saying apple in the
Right.
class. The
Yeah.
same way you're able to listen it.
Because earlier
at home.
our parents used to call us, मैम आप जो करवाते हो आप उसका वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके प्लीज डू सेंड टू us so that you know we can teach. Now
That
it
is
is
not
very much
possible.
हाँ, and that is not possible. Now your AR books are, you know, helpful to the parents.
Taken that experience to their
Gen Z
Yeah.
parents would be really happy because they are very, very particular for the phonic sounds.
Now this becomes actually, because this is such a wow moment for me, because we are
Obviously.
able to create that
Yeah.
kind of impact and memories for the parents using technology.
You are.
Yeah, so this is.
I would be recommended to everyone. One should try her books, her app, her technology.